all, we will discuss terminating decimal fraction. Word terminate. Terminate means which has an end point which terminates at any point. So that number or that decimal fraction is called terminating decimal fraction. So I will give you an example. 2 by 5, it is equal to 0.4. Now it has an end point, it terminates at 0.4, so this is called terminating decimal fraction. Next you can see 3 by 8 is equal to 0.375. Now there is no any number which repeats itself, it terminates at 0.5 at 5, so this is called terminating decimal fraction. 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5, it also terminates, it has a finite number of digits after the decimal point, so this is called terminating decimal fraction. Now see definition. Decimal fraction in which there are finite number of digits in its decimal part. You can see 0.375, after decimal point the number of digits are finite, so these are called terminating decimal fractions. These all are, this is decimal part, if number of digits are finite after decimal point, so these are called terminating decimal fraction. Next, recurring and non-terminating decimal fraction. Non-terminating, which does not have any end point, which doesn't terminate at any point, recurring, which repeats itself. So the decimal fraction non-terminating. Non-terminating means which does not have any end point. You can see 2 by 9 is equal to 0.2222. Now here number 2 is repeating itself. So this is non-terminating decimal fraction, 2 by 9. This is non-terminating decimal fraction. 4 by 11 is equal to 0.363636. This we will discuss here. So non-terminating decimal fraction in which some digits are repeated again and again in the same order. You can see 363636. Some digits are repeating again and again, so this is after the decimal point, so this is called recurring and non-terminating decimal fraction. Now we will start question. Question number 3 is which of the following statements are true and which are false. First one is 2 by 3 is an irrational number. This is false because 2 by 3 is a rational number. Both are written in the form of p by q. Pi is an irrational number. This is true. Yes, pi is an irrational number. Next, 1 by 9 is a terminating fraction. You can see 1 by 9 is equal to 0.1111. Here 1 is repeating itself, so it does not terminate at any point. This is non-terminating fraction, so this one is false. 3 by 4 is a terminating fraction. 3 by 4 is equal to 0.75. Yes, it terminates at a point 5. It has finite number of digits after decimal point, so this is terminating fraction. This one is true. 4 by 5 is a recurring fraction. This one is false. 4 by 5 is equal to